How to download Roblox on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will simply show you how you can download and play and then install Roblox on your PS4. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're actually aware, in the official way the Roblox game is not available in your PlayStation Store. So even if you go within your PlayStation Store and then you simply search for it, as you can see, I'll go and search for it, you'll be able to find that we do not have the Roblox game on our PlayStation because it is not officially available. However, there is still a way to play Roblox on your PC, and in order to do so, you have to go ahead and then open up the internet browser on your PlayStation. Once you start this internet browser, in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in roblox.com. So in order to go to the search page, just hit the triangle icon over here, and then over here you simply want to type in Roblox and then type in .com, or you can simply just go ahead and search for Roblox in this case. So once I go ahead and then search for Roblox, you'll be able to see a list of Google search results, right? And at the very first, you can see the roblox.com URL. You just want to make sure to select that option. And then when you select that option over here, you'll be able to see the Roblox website will look somewhat like this. Now, if you're using it for the first time, then you might want to sign into your account by hovering over your cursor on the top right hand side, clicking on the option called login, and then entering your user credentials in order to sign into your account. So let me also go ahead and then sign into my account respectively. Now once I sign into my account respectively, what I will do is I want to view this website in full screen mode. So for that I will simply press the square button on my controller, and then I'll simply be navigated to the full screen mode. So over here you can see our Roblox website has opened up. So if I want to play a game now, I'll just select the game. When I select a game, again I'll have the option to whether or not install the web version of Roblox. So I'll just wait until this page has loaded up successfully. So as you can see, once the game has been loaded up, on the right hand side you can see this little green play button, right? So you want to go ahead and then select that option. When you do that, it says Roblox is now loading, but then the problem here is that you again have to download the web version. As you can see, you're moments away from getting into the experience. Just choose the option called download and install Roblox in this case. Once you choose the option called download and install Roblox, just go ahead and then simply agree to all of these terms and conditions, and then you should be able to go ahead and then play Roblox respectively in this case. And that's all it takes to play Roblox on your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.